Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and welcome to an update on Shiba. Wanted to do an update on that because, I made a video on that yesterday. Since then, we actually got the bullish breakout we were talking about, but I'm not that convinced yet. So, just wanted to make a video, go over the possible scenarios from here. Or also partially because the week is almost starting, and usually that comes with a lot of volatility. All right, so that sometimes means that the market can make a sudden move in one direction. If for some reason Bitcoin right now all of a sudden drops down below 29,000, it's going to be very, very tough for Shiba to actually, successfully complete this bullish breakout. Because technically we broke above the 0.5 FIB. However, what we're seeing right now is that we also immediately broke down below that. So it was a bit of a fake out. So that's why I wanted to make a quick update for all of you. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, I do want to bring your attention to GRAPE, which is a project I have partnered up with. It's a great project. Also made 2 videos on them. I think it has long-term potential, but right now they have already listed, have had a great listing so far, have had great price action so far. You can still buy at a significant discount, I think for like $50 via the links down in the description, even though it's trading at 174 right now. You will not be able to instantly sell, otherwise it would be an infinite money glitch. But like I said, I think the project has real long-term potential as well. So check that out if you're still looking for some great long-term investments. But for now, onto Shiba Inu. So what we've seen over the last 24 hours in development is that the volume has kind of stayed the same, and that's not great. I mean, the volume went up a lot right here, probably a bit manipulated. Like I saw some news sources that a couple of wallets have accumulated a lot of Shiba Inu. You can also see that right here. I mean, in a matter of minutes, we get like $40 million added in volume. That's a lot of money. And that's a lot of additions of Shiba Inu. What we can assume is that they are going to sell at a profit at some point of time, all right? So that's what you have to keep in mind. That at some point of time there will be a sell-off at least equally this big, perhaps even bigger depending on the liquidity at that point of time. But now the main question is that with all of the hype / momentum that Shiba has, can we actually successfully get towards that 930 level? Which is our main price target. And I think the answer is yes, but now, because we've actually dropped down below that 0.5 FIB again, which by the way is around 860, I do expect some short-term bullish momentum first. So that would be down to this level right here, which is a strong support level. You can see that we never broke above 840 before, and now we have broken above that, so that turns it into support. And there's also the 0.382 FIB. So what's going to happen is we're going to drop down there. From that level, we should hold that though, all right? Because if this doesn't hold, if we drop down below 840 for whatever reason, I mean, if it's because of Shiba or because of Bitcoin becoming very, very bearish all of a sudden, doesn't matter. If that breaks, that's bad news, because then you have a bearish breakout. Then the market structure turns quite bearish all of a sudden. You'll have a move down to that 800 level, from which we could just as well continue the uptrend. But the more we drop down, the more difficult it is to eventually break above the resistance levels again, which we are very close to right now. So ideally, and the only way I would say to get up to 930 is if after finding support at 840, we can actually break above 860. All right, that's the level we are struggling with right now, I would say. Not even the 0.5, just 860. That's what we need to see in the next, I would say, 30 hours. All right, then if we break above 860, I think we're moving all the way up to 913, 930, 920. But that's what we want to see. And in the end, I mean, at this point of time, it still honestly could go both ways. All right, so that's what we're waiting for. I'll keep an eye on that. I'll keep you updated on that if you're interested in that. But for now, that's my take on Shiba. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.